Hi guys, welcome to my new video. In this video, I'm gonna show how to make this animation with Duik Bassel 2 and After Effects. Let's get started. So, vectors from freepik.com. I will add download link and project files. First step, select this background and lock layer. Select this layer 1, go to solo and move the anchor point here. Click selection tool and unsolo. Select this layer 11, go to solo and select this icon palm behind. Move the anchor point here. Click selection tool and unsolo. And select this layer 111, go to solo. Move the anchor point up. Click selection tool and unsolo. Then select this layer 1, parent to this layer 11. Select this layer 11, parent to this layer 111. And let's select this right hand right, go to solo and go to this icon puppet pin. Let's add one puppet here, one here and one here. Click selection tool and go to puppet, change puppet engine legacy, click OK, and let's select this foot 1, go to solo and make again one puppet here, one here and one here. Click selection tool and change puppet engine legacy. Let's close settings and unsolo. Select this foot 2, go to solo. Again go to puppet pin icons. Make one puppet here, one here and one here. Click selection tool. Again change puppet engine to legacy. Let's close and unsolo. Go to window, open Duik Bassel 2 and click this icon for go to rigging. Then select this layer 111 and 111. Click auto rig icon. Let's select this controller and let's see. Okay, nice. Then select this foot and select this puppet here. Go to click add bones. Okay, and select this bones, go to solo and select this puppet pin 3, parent to this 2 and select this 2, parent to this 1 and select these 3 puppet pins. Let's unsolo and click auto rig icon. So let's select this controller, let's see. Nice. Then close settings. Then select this foot 1 and these puppet pins. Let's click this icon and go to click this icon for hide all layers. Okay, then select this foot 2 and go to here, select this puppet and click add bones. Then select this bones and go to solo. Select this puppet 3, parent to this puppet 2. Select this puppet 2, parent puppet 1 and select these puppets. Go to click auto rig icon. Then let's unsolo this controller and these puppets. Let's see. Select this controller. Nice. So let's select this again foot 2 and puppet pins. Click this icon for hide layers. Then go to select this body, go to solo and move the anchor point down. Click selection tool and unsolo. Select this head, go to solo and move the anchor point down. Click selection tool and unsolo. Select this eyebrow, eyes, parent to this head and select this eyes, press S, let's zoom object and go to here, let's click this icon, make scale keyframe, go to 3 keyframe, 1 to 3, change scale 5, again go to 3 keyframe, 1 to 3, change 100. Then select keyframes, make ease. Let's see. Okay, select these keyframes, Ctrl C. Go to here, Ctrl V. Go to here again, Ctrl V. And let's select work area for second. Okay. Let's see. Nice. Then go to again Duik. Select this hand right. Go to solo. And select this puppet engine. Go to click add bones and select this puppet pin 3, parent 2, select this 2, parent 1, and select these puppet pins. Go to click auto rig IQ. Let's see. Nice. Let's unsolo this controller and these puppet pins. Select this hand right and these puppet pins. Go to click this icon for hide all layers. Then select this controller and let's make animation. Close Duik window. In this time press P, make new position keyframe and move to right. Hold shift press R, make rotation keyframe, chain rotation. And go to 10 keyframe. For shortcut you can use hold shift press page down in the keyboard. And let's move to left this hand and move to up. Select keyframes, make easies. In this time go to 3 keyframe, make rotation keyframe and make new position keyframe. Go to again 5 keyframes, move to up this hand and change rotation like this. Again go to here and move to down this hand and change rotation for click animation. Let's see. Okay, select these rotation keyframes, make easies. Let's see. Okay, and go to here and go to 3 keyframe, 1 to 3, change rotation like this. Again go to 3 keyframe, 1 to 3, change rotation. Let's see. Okay, select these last 3 keyframes, hold Alt, move to right for slow animation. Nice. And go to here, select this rotation keyframe and let's change -9. Okay, and in this time make new position keyframe and go to here, select this first keyframe, Ctrl C, Ctrl V and change rotation again. So this is loop animation. Let's see. Nice. Then select these keyframes and move to right. Let's see. Okay, select this body and press R, make rotation keyframe and go to here, change rotation like this. Okay, and select this head, parent to this body. And let's click this icon for show layers and select these controllers, puppet pin controller, parent to this body. And let's see. Okay, nice. Then select this layer 111, parent to this body. Let's see again. Nice. So let's click icon for hide layers. And let's see. Select these body keyframes, make easies. Okay, and in this time make new rotation for body. Go to here and change rotation 0. And in this time make again new body keyframe. Go to here and change rotation -3. And go to here, change 0. Let's see. Nice. So select this head and press R, go to here, make rotation keyframe and go to here again, change rotation like this. And let's move to here this head and select this rotation keyframes, make easies. And in this time select this head, hold shift press P, make new position keyframe, go to here and move to down, move to here and go to last keyframe, select first keyframe, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, select these 3 position keyframes, make easies. So this is 3 keyframe for head bones animation. Let's see. Nice. And in this time make new head keyframe, rotation, go to here and change 0. Select these 3 position keyframes, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and move to here. Let's see. Nice. So in this time, select this controller, right hand, press P, and make new position keyframe. Go to here and move to left. So this is random hand animation. And in this time, make new position keyframe. Go to here and select first keyframe, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Let's see. Select these keyframes, move to left. Nice. So select this controller foot, press P, and go to here. Make new position keyframe and move to right and move to up. Then go to here and move to left, move to down. Select keyframes, make easies. Let's see. And go to here, make new position keyframe. Go to again 5 keyframes. Select first keyframe, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Let's see. Nice. So let's select these all layers and click for close settings. Then select this line 1, line 2 and line 3 and message. Right mouse, precoms, add name message, click OK and open composition. Let's select this message, go to pan behind, move the anchor point here, click selection tool and go to window, open animation composer 3, open starter pack and use this overshot scale. Let's click in, move to right this, let's see. Okay, and select this message line 1, line 2 and line 3, go to window, open anchor point mover from animation composer 3 and click this icon for move to left these anchor points. So in this time, close window anchor point mover and animation composer, select these lines, move to right, press S, click this icon, make scale keyframes and move to right and change scales 0. Select keyframes, make easies and go to graph editor, select this graph, move to left for smooth animation. Okay, back to keyframe and let's select this, move to left and this and this. Let's select this and move to left all layers. Let's see. Okay, nice. Let's go to here and parent to this layer's message. Let's see. Nice. Close this composition and in this time move to right. Let's see. So thank you for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.